Take a ride in the 2017 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, trailer brake controller, alloy wheels, wheel locks, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.